Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when your earbuds automatically starts or pause the music. Firstly, we need to update software version. To do this, you need to go to Galaxy Wearable application, and if you add your earbuds to the app, you will see the same menu. Right here you need to scroll down and go to Earbuds settings. Then scroll down again, and at the bottom we have Earbuds software update. Tap at this line and then click download and install, and to check for updates. So it said that I have the last software version. If you haven't, you can update it, and I recommend it to do this. Now, if it didn't help you, also I recommend it to restart your audio player. So let's say you listen to music with SoundCloud or Apple Music or another app. You need to remove this application from the cache and then open it again and check it. Also recommended to check if you have the last version of this application. So go to the Play Store or App Store and update it if you haven't the last version. The last one, if both of these methods didn't help you, we need to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, we can do this in the application. So open Galaxy Wearable app and then scroll down, go to Earbud settings, and right here we have reset. So you need to click at this line and then click reset. Now these earbuds removed from your phone and from the app, so we need to reconnect them. To do this, open settings and go to the Bluetooth or connected devices. If you have Android, click pair new device at the top, and after that you need to tap at your earbuds at the device list. Then click pair, because after factory reset this earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically, so you will see them at the device list. After that, let's reconnect it to the app. So open Samsung Wearable app, then click start. At the device list, tap at your earbuds. You can sign in into your account or skip it. I'm going to skip it, and we need to select only the first line to go to the next step, but you can select all of them if you need it. Click agree, and we did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!